Hey guys, welcome back to my 28th Python tutorial, and today I'm going to talk about classes and objects. So, an object is a thing that contains data called attributes and methods. Methods are basically functions that are inside a class and uses the data from that specific object, or class actually. To further explain how exactly object works, let's just say a Lamborghini or a Lambo is our object. The object is followed by a period like this, and then an attribute or something to describe it. So some examples might be Lambo dot max speed, or something like Lambo dot color, or something like Lambo dot number of seats, so num seats. And additionally, you can follow up the period with a method, so something like, I don't know, Lambo dot honk, or Lambo dot start, or Lambo dot, I don't know, break, and other things like that. But before you do all this, what you first need to do is create a class. How you can create a class is first off starting by typing class, which is a keyword that tells Python that we're creating a class, and then name it. So I'm going to name it class car, and you're going to need the parentheses and colon, and enter. And now we're gonna create a constructor method. A constructor method is what lets you set or differentiate each object. Because not all cars are the same, we should have different properties for each car. And constructor method exactly does what we want to do. So how to make a constructor method is by setting definition. So def, and then you will need two underscores, and then init for initializing, and then two underscores again. I cannot type, and then parentheses. You will need self first, and then you will need any parameters that you want to write. For me, I'm gonna write max speed, and why am I writing it? And then color for the last one, and then you will need colon, enter, and let's say self max speed is equal to max speed. So here what I did was self is basically the object that you're doing. So when you're creating the object's max speed is equal to the max speed that you input in the parentheses, or parameter I would say. And next line we're gonna do the same for color, so self.color is equal to color. And next method, so let's have a method here that prints out the max speed and color, and let's name it specs. And you will only need self here because we don't need any inputs. It's a method that accesses the attributes of an object, so you just call this accessor method. And let's just print let's say this car's max speed is, and then you would go comma self dot max speed, and then you go miles per hour. And then next, this, I can't type, cars color is, then you go self dot color, and there is our class. So press enter to confirm, and now you gotta create your object. So how to create an object is basically type your object name. I'm just gonna name it Lambo again, and then you need your class name car, and then you will need to fill out the parameters. Self is basically your own object, so you won't need to do anything about that. So just start filling out max speed and then color. We're gonna print out string, so we're gonna need a string, not a number. But we want to put a number, so let's make that a number string. And 200, and then we will have silver. And oh, my mistake. And then when you press enter, your object is now created. So how to use your method, I already told you how to do it. So you basically put your object name dot method, so specs, and then this is self, so you won't need anything again. And when you press enter, it should print out this car's max speed is 200 miles per hour. This car's color is silver. And that's basically your tutorial on classes and objects. You can do other things. You can definitely have more of what is called methods. And there's only one constructor, but there is something called overload that I'm going to talk about later. And that's basically your tutorial on classes and objects. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned from this video. Make sure you practice with this thing a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one.